Global reports show that billions of tons of fertile soil are lost annually to land degradation, while desertification and drought continue to threaten livelihoods across many regions. To address these challenges, the Nigerian Environmental Society, Yobe State Chapter, used this year's World Environmental Day celebration to create awareness among students and the general public on the effect of climate change and rapid urbanization.
This day reminds us that the environment is not separated from our lives. It is our farmland and our water, also our future. Let us all take all steps, please, for all organizations, line MDAs, projects to plant trees, save water, or simply say no to waste.
Some of the experts identified uncontrolled urbanization as a major factor contributing to environmental degradation and the loss of vegetation. They urge government and citizens to promote tree planting and discourage indiscriminate felling of trees without replacement.
Urbanization is a driver of climate change. As population grows, people need more settlements, people need more institutions, more infrastructure, more facilities, and in the course of doing that, a lot of vegetation are being denuded. When you cut down trees massively without commensurate replacement, it can now give us a negative feedback in terms of raising temperature, water scarcity, and all other related environmental factors.
We are one of the states that will be celebrating this occasion in order to remind the government and the general public about how this encroachment and other issues in our environment. As legislators, we are 100% supporting the Yobe State government, our partners, and all other non-governmental organizations so that we can put our head together, come together to ensure that we protected this environment.
The event also provided an opportunity to sensitize traditional and religious leaders on their role in promoting environmental protection and sustainable practices.